Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduction myself. My name is Farhan Ratul Hafiz, coming from the A1 morning machine class. I'm here to explain a little about the understanding I got from article about welding technique. Welding is a process of joining two pieces of metal that utilize high temperature, which can be obtained from various sources to reach the melting point of the metal to be connected. A metal that has got a melting point will become liquid. Then a liquid metal will mix until it becomes solid metal, which will also form a welded joint later. In welding, there are several tools that must be used for safety reasons. 1. Auto darkening helmet. 2. Welding gloves. 3. Welding boots. 4. Welding apron. 5. Lightweight welding jacket. 6. Wear pack, masker, and armor. 3 is several welding technique. 1. Technique electric arc welding. 2. Metal active gas or metal insert gas welding. 3. Tungsten insert gas welding. 4. Submerger arc welding. 5. Laser beam welding. Type of welding process. Electric arc welding. Electric arc welding gets high temperature surge from an electric arc, and electric arc is created from a short circuit reaction due to the contact of the electrode tips with the metal. This type of welding is classified as practical, cheap, and efficient. Therefore, this type of welding is widely used. This type of welding is divided into two types, namely GMAW, gas metal arc welding, using welding wire to make weld joint. This type is consumable electrode. Take tungsten insert gas. Welding this type installing tungsten electrode with in category non-consumable electrode. MAG, metal active gas. Welding the MAG welding process is used CO2 shielding gas during the welding process. If you want to use for spray transfer tips, you must make CO2 gas with helium gas or argon gas. Make metal inner gas welding. MIG welding is welding using flame gas produced from an electric arc. Use arc melting agent for welding metal and additional metal, also known as solid wire. MIG is used for welding iron or steel, while the protective gas is carbon CO2. TIG welding, tungsten inner welding, or gas tungsten arc welding, or GTAW. Welding using tungsten electrodes, non-consumable tungsten, source be inner gas, argon, or helium.